Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a very exciting news for all of you. That is, Accenture Second Phase results are out. I know those who have given the interviews were eagerly waiting for the results, and the results are out now. If you haven't checked your result, kindly go through your mail, you will get it there. In this video, I'll tell you the detail of everything that you need to do after the selection procedure. And also, see this video till the end to know all the processes and steps which you need to follow. If you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it. So, subscribe to this channel for regular off-campus updates and also for placement guidance. So, for now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So guys, firstly I would like to tell you that we are the first channel to upload this news, and I would also like to add that soon we will be posting the enhanced salary of Accenture. So kindly subscribe to the channel for regular crazy updates. And I would like to add that Accenture has sent 3 mails to the selected candidate, and this mail is one of them. The subject of this mail is congratulations, you have been selected to be part of Accenture. Below you can see the description. Here they have written, dear candidate, you have made it, congratulations on successfully completing our hiring process. We are glad to extend our LOI, which is the letter of intent, to confirm your selection. You must accept our LOI within 2 days. Guys, please note this, those who all are selected, kindly accept the LOI if you want to join Accenture within 2 days, otherwise your candidature will be rejected. So these are the steps to accept the LOI. Log into the portal, you will be redirected to dashboard page. Click on my task, click on the task assigned, download and read the letter of intent for no confusion. Select the checkbox and click on submit button for accepting the offer. And this is the link for accepting the LOI. So guys, this is the second mail with the subject Accenture profile creation and LOI acceptance. And before moving further, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. And moving further, here they have written, dear candidate, thank you for your interest in pursuing a career with Accenture. As the next steps in your recruitment journey with Accenture, please log into your profile and upload required documents. Here you have to create your profile using this URL, username and password, and then you have to upload your documents. I would like to tell you that the documents would take around 10 to 15 days or more to get verified, so do not hesitate if it takes long. And guys, this is the third mail which Accenture has given with the subject Accenture task notification. And moving further, you can see that thank you for your interest in pursuing a career with Accenture. Log in using this mail to complete your tasks. Task here are, you have to upload your documents, and you can click on this link and you will get to know more about the task, what all documents you have to upload. And also I would like to tell you a very important point, which is during this entire process you will be getting pre-onboarding learning modules from Accenture. Those modules have to be completed within a time span of 45 days. And those modules contains basic of ITs, that is OOPS, Java, RDBMS, web technologies and etc. And also subscribe to our channel, as soon we will be giving updates upon the joining of Accenture, and the video of the enhanced salary is soon coming out. At last, all the very best and congratulations to the selected candidates, and if you are not selected, don't be disheartened. We are posting off-campus job opportunities daily so that you do not miss it. And all the very best, congratulations and thank you.